Hey, what's going on? David, Jen, team. My name's John Erickson. Gonna read you guys Crypto Birthday Surprise. I'm gonna play Owen. Looks like a lot of fun. Thanks so much for having me read. I can work in San Diego as a San Diego local. I have family that lives there. Happy to get down there. I can be there during the week, weekends. Not an issue whatsoever. I am based up in LA, but can do the San Diego thing, and I'm actually down there quite a bit anyways. Something about me. Let's see. Recently, it's kind of weird, but I've been eating a lot of popcorn. And in order to sort of rationalize and accept the fact that I like popcorn now, I never really did before. I mean, I'd eat it, but not like I am now. I've been watching a lot of movies. So movies and popcorn is traditional. I bring a huge stainless steel bowl, fill it with 2 or 3 different types of popcorn. Sometimes there's chocolate drizzle on it. There's this really sweet one that's Himalayan pink salt that has virgin coconut oil sort of doused around in it. There's also that version with the butter flavor. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of the cheesy stuff, mix it all together, just absolutely crush it. Movies I've been watching, not that great. Popcorn makes any bad movie worth the 1.5 to 2 hours. So yeah, let's go popcorn. But seriously, I do like popcorn now. All right, almost there.
I can't take the suspense anymore. What'd you guys get me? You ready?
Surprise! Here you go, son. Turn it over.
It's a picture of my TV. Wait, where's all my stuff? An NFT of your own TV. It's an NFTV!
Happy birthday, son! I knew you'd love it. Huh.
What'd you do to my room while I was gone? Where's my TV? My bed? What happened to all my clothes? Right here! No. Seriously. Where'd you put everything?
We sold them so we could turn them all into NFTs. We're hip parents. We're into all that savvy, cool, crypto trending hashtag stuff.
Word. These are worthless pieces of paper.
It's okay. Those are just the backups. The digital NFTs are in the cloud. Blockchain. Right, sorry. On the blockchain cloud with private keys saved in your computer.
And where is my computer? Oh, we had to sell that too, honey. It turns out NFTs are really expensive. But don't worry, we made an NFT of your computer.
But we saved the best for last.
Let me guess. Another piece of paper? We got you an NFT of your very first home!
Now you can finally have your own place like you've always wanted.
Just don't forget to visit us, okay? Oh my God.
He'll come around.